Hello everyone, I'm back with an interesting video. It's a guide for Confederation players to get a fast AI medal. Okay, let's move on with the battle. Okay, let's fast forward a bit. We should collect all the containers neatly from the base. Okay, I'm collecting all those containers neatly, and I used an advanced construction boost so that I can add 2 shipyards during deployment time. Yeah, let's collect all those containers. Okay, let's go. Let's fast forward a bit. Okay, and I add naval production boost so that I can produce my deltas more fastly. So here is the trick with delta, guys. It's a guide how to use deltas in these kind of AI maps to destroy AI more fastly and effectively. So I am fast producing deltas and rallying them on a point here where you can see the glyph, and my partner is doing the same. And I also put some units in the left hand side of the map so that the units which are coming from the AI are destroyed, and my base is getting more safe. Okay, like I patrolled them there. Okay, let's go. And me and my partner are doing the same, mass producing deltas and rallying them into a point where we can attack the AI base using mass deltas. Okay, some of my deltas are already there, and I am sending more and more deltas into there. Okay, I use a naval strike boost. Here's the trick, guys. If we use this naval strike boost, the units, the deltas, we all know that deltas have a long range, and the units inside the AI map are invited. We are inviting the party to our deltas. Okay, we are killing all those units nice and neatly. Okay, my partner is doing the same. We are inviting those units outside and kill them. Like I said, I use some units in the base to protect my base, and my partner did those units in the corner. I'll say that why he did that. Okay, I am killing those gun towers, and another set of units are coming out, and I am killing them too. Okay, come on, kill them all. Come on, man, come on, you can do it. Here my partner is also sneaking, going in, going out, and killing all those units. Remember, guys, you should use a gold naval strike boost. Okay, I'm gathering more deltas so that I can kill them easily. Okay, my partner is doing the same. Okay, there is some caimans coming from there. They are also destroyed if we use our deltas in that position. Okay, I'm nicely sneaking in. I almost kill all those units inside. Okay, I'm killing those power plants as well as factories. The thing is that I want to go inside the back side of the base, guys. Look at this. I'm in the back side. My partner is using so that we can destroy the reinforcement coming from the back side, as well as we can kill those airfields. Hawks are very dangerous, guys, and all those dragonflies coming out. And I also put some units around here because it will be good for clearing out the front portion of the AI map. And we are also gathering a set of deltas and our units remaining in the base to a corner because we want to attack the middle in the last moments, like at the finishing stage. That's the climax. Okay, we are all clearing those buildings in the front side also. Some kind of defense gun towers are there. We are also killing that, and another set of group is around the middle. Okay, let's go. The center is almost to be cleared, and the front portion is also dead. Okay, and me and my partner are now attacking and focusing on the middle of the map. Okay, there it goes, middle of the map. We should be really fast, guys. We should have to use naval attack and naval strike boost alternately to increase the speed and range of deltas. That's the most important thing. And full deltas are enough. There is no need for Vikings here because Viking consumes a little bit more time. Okay, now it's almost done, guys. We did it around 30 minutes, and it's the AA top 10 of this current league. And hope you guys are good with this, and come on, achieve your goals and go for the medals. It's Sai Yodai signing off.